Welcome to this walkthrough video about charging costs to your customers based on consignments. I will start here in our documentation website. I will go to Getting Started, my walkthrough topics and costs. Here is a description of three different ways of charging costs to your customers. The manually added costs on consignments, the cost that is created based on the package types that you use on your consignments, and we also can charge costs automatically based on rules when a consignment is created. So I will start with manually created costs. Maybe the least common one, but we should still show it. So let's take a look at our cost codes. I have created a cost code called split because for some reason we have decided to charge our customers whenever we split a package. I linked it to this item. This is a regular item with it's an inventory item. It has quantity on hand because I want to be able to use it on pick documents, and therefore it has to be a regular item with and also have inventory. I haven't set up a unit price here because I want to use the pricing and discount mechanisms that we have in Business Central. So let's take a look at how it works. We create a sales order for my favorite customer, and let's select a location code which requires warehouse pick, and I will use DHL pallet. And then we sell my favorite item, the Aiden's desk. Release the sales order and create the warehouse shipment. And from the warehouse shipment, I will proceed and create my pick. And then we will open up the pick and create the consignment from the pick. I do this with actions, delivery, and create consignment. And I will add a package. And we can just take a look at the fact box. We don't have any costs so far. So I will add a cost manually because I want to charge my customer for doing a package split. So when I leave this record, we will have the unit price calculated based on what we inserted on the sales order because it's already there. So I will, of course, prepare and print, but I will just go back to my warehouse pick now to make sure that, yeah, we got the package split here. So when I register my pick and go back to my warehouse shipment, you can see the package split is also here. So when we post the shipment, this cost will be together with the items that it refers to, and it will be invoiced together with the items. So that was the manual pick. The next thing I will show is costs that are linked to specific package types. So if we open up the list of package types, and edit the palette, and I want to add a cost code. So we will invoice our customers for the pallets that we use. I create a new cost code here, which is an item. And of course, I have prepared an item for pallet. And this item also is a regular inventory item and has a quantity on hand. And I will use the pricing that is in standard Business Central. So let's create the sales order. And I will use my warehouse pick location with DHL pallet. And I will sell yet another desk to this customer. And I will release the sales order, create the warehouse shipment. And from the shipment, I will create the pick. And from my warehouse pick, I will create my consignment. I do this actions, delivery, create consignment. You can see that right now we only have the item that we are actually selling to the customer. So, but we create a consignment and we say this is one package of type pallet. And if we go back to the pick, you will see that we have inserted the pallet automatically. So when we register the pick, we have a warehouse shipment with the pallet, which has a quantity to ship. So this pallet will be on the same shipment note as the ordered items and will be invoiced together with them. And the last thing we will take a look at is the automatically created costs. So again, go to cost codes. And I will create something I will call an order fee. I will just link that to a GL account. And I will mark this cost as an automatic cost. And it will be based on the order item value, excluding VAT. And for this cost code, I need to create calculation rules that defines when it should be applied and to what. And I have already created these rules here. So from value of 0, we will add 200 as a cost. From 1000, we will do not add any cost. And if it's second or third or fourth consignment created for this sales order, we won't add any cost at all. So let's take a look at how this works. So in this scenario, I will create my consignment directly from my sales order. I will add an item here, make sure that we will go below 1000. So, and I will create my consignment. This consignment automatically has a cost of 200. We can take a look at the cost. It is my order fee. So when I go back to my sales order, I have the order fee inserted on the sales order. Thank you for watching.